Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Info 101. And today we will talk about the 10 largest auto insurance companies. Let's see in January 2023. The top 10 largest insurance companies in the United States write 70% of all the car insurance premiums. Progressive has the biggest market share with 14% of all premiums. So the biggest companies offer stability along with a wider range of coverage options than you may find at a typical smaller insurers. But they vary on price, service quality, and many other characteristics. To choose the best insurance company for you, review the list of 10 largest auto insurance companies in US and what makes each of them unique. What are the largest auto insurance companies? Progressive is the number one auto insurance company in the terms of market share, followed by State Farm, GEICO, and Allstate. When looking at the rankings of the top auto insurance companies in United States, most of the names are recognizable due to their name brands that include national television advertising company campaigns. Largest auto insurance companies: Progressive $44.5, State Farm, GEICO, Allstate, USAA, Liberty Mutual, Farmers, Travelers, Nationwide, American Family, and these are the largest auto insurance companies. If we will talk about further, here the 10 largest auto insurance companies in the US offer different insurance rates, customer claims, experiences, and features. For drivers looking for cheap rates, it's a good idea to compare quotes from multiple companies to find the best price. So if we will talk about in ranking wise, so on number one is Progressive, 44.5 billion dollars its premium returns and market share is 14.2%. And number two, State Farm, $42.5 billion premium return and 13.5% of market share. Number 3, GEICO, premium return is $39.1 billion, and if we talk about the market share, that is 12.5%. Number 4, Allstate, if we talk about the premium return, that's $28.4 billion and market share is 9%. Number 5, USAA, $15.7 billion, and that's a premium return and market share is 5%. Now number 6, Liberty Mutual, 15.3 billion dollars, that's a premium return and 4.9% of market share. Number 7, Farmers, and $13.2 billion, that's a premium return and 4.2% market share. Next is a Travelers, that's on number 8, $8.3 billion is premium return and 2.6% is a market share. Number 9, Nationwide, $7.2 billion, that's premium return and 2.3% that's market share. Number 10, American Family, $5.8 billion, that's premium return and 1.8% that's market share. Number 1, Progressive offers specially competitive rates to drivers with previous accidents. However, claims satisfaction ratings and coverage options are average. Average monthly premium $156, market share 14%, premium return $44.5 billion. Valuable Penguin rating 3 by 5, JD Power customer satisfaction score 819. Progressive is the largest car insurance company in the country and was established in 1937. The company offers the ability to buy auto insurance in person, online, or by phone. Alternatively, customers can be sign up through independent insurance agents. The company employs almost about 49,000 people and has offices across the country. Progressive is publicly traded company. Number 2, that's State Farm. State Farm is a great auto insurance company for anyone who wants a local agent, a personalized experience, and cheaper than average rates. Average monthly premium $99, market share 14%, premium return $42.5 billion, valuable penguin rating that's 4.5 by 5, JD Power customer satisfaction score that's 842. State Farm is the second largest auto insurance company in the US and controls just under 14% of the market. The company currently employs approximately 53,000 employees and has nearly 19,000 agents. State Farm operates as a mutual insurance company, meaning that its policyholders own it. Among the largest widely available car insurers on the list, State Farm offers the cheapest car insurance rates in most of US. GEICO, that's on number 3. GEICO is one of the cheapest auto insurance company. It offers national, you can say that national availability and an easy shopping experience. Average monthly premium that's $139, market share that 13%, premium return that is $39.1 billion, valuable penguin rating 4 by 5, GD Power customer satisfaction score that is 835. Zico, known for its advertisement featuring an animated Zico, has served as an underwriter to more than 16 million auto policies, which insure more than 24 million vehicles. The company's size allows it to employ more than 43,000 people across 18 offices nationwide. GEICO original customer base consisted of US government employees and military personnel. Today, the insurance company sells insurance to the drivers of all stirrups across the country. GEICO has the best car insurance for college students according to our research. And number 4, that's Allstate. Allstate typically has better than average claims, satisfaction ratings, but high rates. However, the insurer offers a variety of discounts that can make policies more affordable for customers. Average monthly premium that's $195, market share that's 9%, premium return that $28.4 billion, valuable penguin rating that's 3 by 5, JD Power customer satisfaction score that's 824. Established in 1931, Allstate is the second largest publicly traded property and casualty insurance company in America. Like State Farm, Allstate has roster of local agents ready to serve your needs. The company currently employs more than 54,000 people. Allstate also operates insurance. Insurance is a good choice for the people who valuable Allstate's dependable brand but are comfortable purchasing and managing their insurance completely online. US number 5, USAA. USAA is one of the best auto insurers in the country. You will all enjoy extremely competitive rates, great customer services and speedy claims responses from USAA. The biggest downside is USAA restricted membership. Average monthly premium $91, market share 5%, premium return $15.7 billion, valuable penguin rating 4 by 4.5 by 5, JD Power customer satisfaction score that is a 881. USAA was founded in San Antonio in 1922 by the Army 25 Army officers who decided to insure each other's vehicle. Today, the company serves millions of members associated with US military, including current and former service members, family members of service members, and cadets or midshipmen. Coverage from USAA is only available if you have served in the US military or if your spouse or parent has had insurance from USAA at some point in their life. Because of its focus on the US Armed Forces, USAA is our top pick for the best and cheapest car insurance for veterans and military service members. And I hope that these 5 are the best. You can say that I have to firstly explain the top 10, and that video is going to be lengthy, and almost it has done 10 minutes. So I want to conclude that video, and we will be back in our next video. We will talk about further next companies in our next video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. We will be back in our new video. Thanks a lot for watching the Infotech 101. We will be back within a few days. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Goodbye. Tata.